Welcome back, champions. Today we are going to learn arithmetic mean or arithmetic average. Another name of mean is average. So what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is the number or quantity obtained by dividing the total values of the given items in a variable by their numbers. Now how do we understand what is arithmetic mean? Simply total of observations divided by number of observations. Okay, now next is types of arithmetic mean. So first type of arithmetic mean is simple arithmetic average or simple arithmetic mean. So what does this mean? How do we get simple arithmetic mean? So simple arithmetic mean is arrived by adding all the numbers in a series and dividing it by the numbers of items in a series. Let us understand it with an example. Suppose there are 4 students in a class and the marks obtained by them in economics are 20, 25, 15 and 12, and a question is asking us to calculate its arithmetic mean. So what we have learned just now, the total of all the observations. So first of all we are going to add them. So 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 12 gives you 5, 5, 10 plus 2, 12, 2, 1 carry, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 72. So total is 72 and our formula says total upon number of observations. So arithmetic mean is equals to total, that is 72, upon number of observations are 1, 2, 3 and 4 divided by 4. So we are going to divide it. 4 ones are 4, 3 left, 2, 32, 4 eights are 32. So arithmetic mean for these marks will be 18. So I hope this is clear. How do we calculate arithmetic mean? Now let us take one more example to understand it more clearly. So here is the information given about 10 students and the marks obtained by them. And a question is asking us to find out mean by direct method. Now we are going to discuss two methods of finding mean with the same example. So first method is direct method. So direct method is the same method which we have studied right now. So mean is defined by x bar is equals to sigma x, that is total of all the values, upon n, that is number of variables. So first of all what we are going to do, we will add this x, as just now we studied that first step is to obtain the sum. So we are going to follow the same step. So when you will do total, you will get 415 and 415 is the value of sigma x. Sigma means sum and x is the variable given to us. So we are going to find out mean. So x bar is equals to sigma x upon n. Let's put the values. So sigma x is 415 divided by n, that is total number of observations which are given to us 10. So divided by 10. So let's divide it. 10 fours are 40, 10 ones are 10, then decimal, then 10 fives are 50. So our mean is 41.5. This we have done with direct method. Now next method is shortcut method that we'll discuss in next video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are finding my videos helpful, please like, share and subscribe.